1 candy cane, 3 egg whites, a dusting of salt, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. We need to preheat the oven to 300. Put 3 egg whites into the mixer. To do that, we crack the egg and drop all the gooey white stuff, or clear. I don't know why they're called egg whites if it's clear. I think it's because it becomes white when you mix it all together. But you just toss the egg yolk, the yellow part, from one shell to the other. And you just get all the egg white out. Toss it, toss it, toss it. I don't know what you do with this when you're done. Probably just throw it away, I guess. Add our fairy dust to the egg whites. Just kidding. We need to add a little bit of salt. Just a dust of salt. Just a little dust. Like that. Mix the egg whites with the salt, starting on a low speed. And then slowly put the speed higher and higher to medium. And then just leave it at medium for about 2 minutes until it starts to get all foamy. It should look all bubbly, like this. Keep mixing the egg whites. And while you're mixing the egg whites, slowly add 1 cup of sugar. Slow and steady. While you're mixing the egg and the sugar on high, you're gonna wanna add the vinegar. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Don't smell it. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Plop. The recipe says to keep mixing it on high for about 4 minutes until it's glossy and it has stiff peaks. I don't know what that means. Maybe just until it's a little bit harder? We'll try it out. Mix it on high for 4 minutes. While our egg whites, vinegar, and sugar are all mixing together for that 4 minutes, we need to crush our candy cane. Crush it into the tiniest little bits. Let's go. It looks pretty glossy and sticky to me. I mean stiff. It's time to gently fold in the peppermint, the crushed peppermint, using a spatula. So you pour it in, and then you gently fold it over. And fold. And then pour. And then gently fold this mixture into a Ziploc bag. Good luck. Once you have it all in, you're going to cut a little hole on the end. Just a little hole, maybe cut off about that much. Here we go. Now, we're gonna squeeze out little droplets onto a cookie sheet. So just little droplets, little squeeze. Boop, 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 boop. Oh! Sure, you seal the bag before you start plopping. Here they are. Some of them are a little messed up, but that's okay. They'll still taste yummy. Now we need to put them in the oven. Here they go. And all done. What you do is you put them in the oven for 1 minute. You set the timer for 1 minute. And after that 1 minute, you turn off the oven. But don't open the oven doors. You leave them in the oven with the oven turned off for 3 hours. That's a long time, but they'll be yummy. If you did, press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's go.